right, day 10. I'm gonna wake up, brush my teeth, eat breakfast, go out for coffee, hit the gym, go into rock climbing. I don't know, we'll see. All right, I'm slowly cleaning my room, slowly putting away a bunch of shit and organizing the place. I'm slowly tossing some stuff away, like I said. But let's deposit some of these coins. The banks are kind of annoying. They won't let you deposit loose coins sometimes, so I'll slowly deposit them. Just doing laundry, cleaning, and probably wash the cat again. Yeah, go from there. All right, just changed my sheets, wiped down my room, did laundry, still got a ton to do. But I think I'm gonna go deposit some coins and go drink coffee and go to the gym. It is 11 o'clock. Oh, I'm gonna make myself a protein shake first and then I'll go. My cat's not letting me leave. She knows I'm going out, so she's standing right at the door. Come on, Ninja, move. 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 I'm trying to go out. So look, she's guarding the door. She knows I'm going out. Ow! Ow, move. But don't worry, I got a secret weapon. Dun-dun. Dun-dun. All right, day 10. So I ended up playing 2 rounds of games yesterday. Each round lasted about 50 minutes or so. And then I stopped. I felt guilty. I don't know. I guess I'll start all over, or I mean, I think playing games once in a while it's okay. So maybe the new rule is every Monday night, since I don't have work on Tuesday and I can't play too late. So maximum 2 games, so I can still wake up early and go out. I did a bunch of chores at first because my cat has ringworm, so I got to keep cleaning the house and changing my sheets and doing the laundry. So it's around 11:30 right now. I'm gonna go grab my cup of coffee and either hit the gym or go into rock climbing. I'm not sure yet. So that's the plan. And edit some videos, I guess. I haven't posted anything for the last 4 days, I think. All right, so I've been growing my hair long, trying to grow out the side to get the flow haircut. I don't know how that looks. I mean, I'm balding because I'm getting older, but I still have some hair, so I want to try it out. I did a man bun before, and that looks like shit. But let's try the flow. But I need a haircut to kind of trim and give it a shape. I cut my own hair, but I only know how to cut it short, so can't really cut it when it's long. All right, I've changed my mind. I actually didn't deposit the coins. I did some of them, but then I took out $11, and I'm gonna go eat instead. There's this wonton noodle that's okay for $11, and I'm trying to gain weight because I lost a lot of weight, and I'm having a hard time gaining right now. So I need to eat a little bit more. So here we go. All right, they're fully packed, so back to original plan. Coffee, gym, then go eat. All right, got the coffee. Time to edit some videos. All right, so CapCut's taking forever to load my videos, so I'm just waiting for it to load. I'm gonna start heading to the gym, and maybe I'll just work out and edit videos there. So I'm walking to the gym. Okay. Warm up complete. All right, all done with the gym. It is 3 o'clock. I am gonna go eat a wonton noodle and then go home, play with my cat a little bit. There it goes. Looks like I empty some, I clear out some space, but it's gonna take some time to organize and toss away a bunch of stuff in my room. With that said, it's gonna take some time. I'm just browsing through or just cleaning little by little. And this cat is just watching me this whole time. Hi, Mama. Say something, Ninja. Hello. Hi. Hi. All right, I did some cleaning there and underneath my bed. So I just need to get some organizers so before I can really pack things away. Slowly it's coming, but there's just too much junk. So it's 5 o'clock right now, and I think I'm just going to work on my videos and yeah. All right, I was very tempted to play games, but I ended up just watching TV and searching for organizers for my room, but dinner time. All right, here's my dinner. Yep, I eat the same stuff every day. Well, pretty much the same stuff. All right, it's 8 p.m. I just showered. Gonna play with CapCut for a minute and then go to bed. Yeah, kind of productive. I mean, I cleaned a little bit, but there's just so much stuff in my room. You guys probably see in the videos, but it takes time to slowly find places to put them. So I ordered some organizers. I'm waiting for them to arrive so that I can create more space or use my space more. What's the word I'm looking for? Can't think of it, but you know what I mean. All right, so see you guys tomorrow.